Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Okay. Hey Ashita, I didn't understand your question, ma. What was it? No means what? Did you see the message in WhatsApp group? Your accessible.
Yeah, my mom saw that message.
Oh, okay. That's what I wanted to know. Okay, I didn't understand. So, okay, um, you're now you're into algebra two test is on Friday, right? You're good. Overall, you're good. That's what I see.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. But just revise on erroneous roots. Check your
Okay.
answers. All that only I'm a little bothered.
What
That's
will
all.
be covering in class today? Like evening?
Yes, we do.
Like what will we be covering?
I want to keep going, but provided, see, it would be nice if you know your results as
Yeah.
early as possible. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't want to keep waiting for 3 weeks for the results and stuff. Okay, that time I want to segregate you. Once the tension is out of you, till then we'll continue algebra 2. Okay, once your tension is out of you, right? I really want to move on to in-depth rational and polynomial functions for AP Pre-Calc. You got it now? So that way we'll be a lot ahead and we can do more. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we'll see. I don't want to bring that in unless this tension is resolved. Okay, last year what the kids did was they were able to see their scores on the flashing on screen as soon as the test got over.
Like the CBE test?
Yes,
Okay.
immediately you'll know. But the problem is until they send the official results, your mind won't get set. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
That's all. I don't know what to say, but that's always the case. Kids will be like, no, no, don't go there. Let's do the same thing till we get the results. It will be like that. But we'll see, ma. Okay, we'll see. We'll see when the results come. Meaning, I don't want to say anything beforehand. Let the results. You will see, right? Scores. Please let me know.
Okay.
Okay, based on that, I'll see what to do. Yeah. Hi, Dhruv. What's up, Dhruv? Good that we were able to change, right, Dhruv? But you see, none of them have come. I don't know what to say. Yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, so we were what? We were at
Miss
what?
Priya,
Yes, ma.
I did everything except the complete the squares because I didn't understand how to do it.
No problem. We can go ahead. Completing squares is very important from a PSAT perception as well, you know. Okay, I'll go ahead. Can I send some practice tests for PSAT? Now that you've completed geometry as well as algebra 1, right? Shall I put some tests?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's see. Um, but geometry, see, probability part is pending, I know. Okay, I'm not saying you're already done. What is it you didn't understand? Circle equations you didn't understand. Okay, we can keep going with circles now. We have to keep going with circles. I have to complete probability. That will be my next immediate targets. Okay, let's keep going. Mm. I think the class early helps a lot of you, but at the same time, I don't know why many of them have not come. So let's keep going this way. What is it you didn't understand, Keira? You want to bring up something? Ashita and Dhru, did you have any questions on the homework?
No. I don't have any questions, but I wasn't able to finish the entire homework because I was prioritizing algebra 2
Yeah,
over break.
a lot. Yeah, yeah, I know. A lot of things are going on, right?
Just complete the squares.
Yeah, sure. I will go over one or two questions now. Dhru, did you understand completing squares is very important, ma.
We did this in school, so
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Quickly, then let me review that completing squares for her. Then I'll move on to part 8 and 9 of circles. Okay. So suppose if you given x square plus 10k, Yura, x square plus 10x, how do you complete the square? What number you need? See, k, Yura, the problem when you would be unable to solve completing squares is if you don't understand this. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Got it? A minus b the whole square will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you don't by heart this, that's when the problem comes. Here, clearly when you have x exponent 2 and 10x, right? In this scenario, what you need to add or subtract, this is a square term, this is a square term, you have to bring them to that. When you look at this, you just have this and this and this you have. Here there is a plus, right? There is a plus, so definitely it's this. But what you need to add and subtract? B by 2a. What is b by 2a? This is in the format a square plus bx plus c. C is 0 here. So what is b by 2a? 10 by 2 times a is 1. Do you see? 10 by 2 times 1, which is 5. But I need the square of this, right? So I need to add 25, subtract 25. You got it?
Why would I subtract 25?
What is that?
What? Oh, wait, because it needs to equal 0?
Correct. You
Okay.
got it?
Yeah.
So this can be grouped. This can be written as x plus 5 the whole square. Makes sense?
Wait, how did you make it x plus 5? Wait,
See,
how did...
that's what, Ma. The problem is the basic understanding of this is not there. This is in algebra 1.
Yeah, we're
Okay,
just doing quadratics now.
That's the problem, Ma. It's okay.
Yeah.
Is okay. So x square, see, unless you educate me like this, it's very hard for me to understand as well. See here, x square plus 10x plus 25. This is a square term, this is a square term. Do you see it? A square.
Yeah, I know
plus
how
B
to do that. I know how to do that part. It's just the equation on the right I don't understand.
Equation on the right, this one.
Yeah, I don't understand those thingies.
You don't need to understand, right? You just multiply and see, right? Here, a times a is a square, a times b is ab, b times a is ba or ab, and then b times b is b square. Just multiply them, you get a square plus 2ab plus b square.
Okay.
You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, that is the gap since you're doing algebra and geometry together. But having said this, right, I'll help you definitely. Now you got it, how to complete the squares?
Yeah.
Okay, now one more, last one. X square minus 2x equal to 39. X square minus 2x equal to 39. You are going to tell me, Ma, quickly, shout out. X square minus, what did I say? I forgot. X square minus 12x equal to 39. X square minus 12x equal to 39.
You have to subtract 39 on each side.
No, how will you make it into a square term? What is that you have? X square minus 12x. So what is that you need to add and subtract? B by 2a the whole square.
12 by 6. So then 36.
1 second, I'll just remind people. Yeah, so yeah, correct. B by, yeah, correct. So you will add and subtract. Don't worry about anything, okay? You will add and subtract 36 here. Okay, then you regroup this and make it into a square term. What is the square term? Just look at the first and the last term. X minus 6 the whole square. You got it?
Yeah.
Minus 36 and then equal to 39, right? So plus 36 on both sides. You get what is there?
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Now I want you to retry the homework and come back. Make sense?
Okay, thank you.
Retry the homework and come back even still if you don't understand. You got it?
Okay.
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 So now let me go ahead with part 8 of circles. I just want to get to a nice finish. 8, 9, 10 is what is remaining in circles, right? Okay. Let me quickly review this. I'll ask you some questions. Let me see whether you remember. Okay, this is a part of circles. Because always what I say is, kids, after we finish 7 or 8 parts, when I go back, they struggle. So let me see. Find the length of the arc here. What is the length of the arc here? Let me try to get a couple of PSAT questions. We can work, right? We have time now, so why don't we?
Wait, the length of what arc?
What, ma?
Which arc?
Oh, length of the arc, ma. Arc is JK, right?
Oh, JK.
Okay, let me try to get. I did keep everything ready for you guys. Let me see. Let me see what I can do for you.
Do you want the answer in radians or degrees?
Aha, good question. Length of the arc, how will it be in radians or degrees?
Because radians is in terms of pi.
See, I think you're getting confused. I am asking for this.
It will just be 10 pi divided by 13 because it's equal to the central angle. Right.
Yeah.
What is that?
Wouldn't like arc JK just be 10 pi by 13 because arc has to be congruent to the central angle?
I asked you for the arc length. I did not ask you for the measure
length?
of the arc.
Oh.
I did not ask you this. You got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Those are confusing pieces. When we go back, always they are like that. But think of this, Ma. When I ask you for the length of the arc, right? It should be like meters or centimeters. So there is no confusion here. I know where your confusion is stemming from. I don't want to answer that. Should you use radians or degrees? That you decide and do. I'll help you if you don't get it.
Wait, so do I just multiply both of them?
You multiply? No. This is based out of proportions, right, guys? Did we not discuss
Oh,
it?
so do we do 10 pi by 13 equals 18 by x?
Not really.
And you do like 10 pi by 13 by 360 because the whole circle is equal to 360 degrees.
You are on the right track, but remember, Dhuru, basic proportions, when you set it up right, you have to make sure the units are the same in the numerator denominator, or units are proportionally the same. You should make sure. So somewhere you're making a mistake. What is that you're making? Let's see. Yeah, I really want to do this. Let's see. Yeah, 1 or 2 questions I'll give you. Did you get it, guys? Amma, you can shout out if you don't understand where you are stuck. Let me know. I'm here to help you.
Wait, is it 2 pi r times 10 pi by 13 by
Okay, 2
360?
pi r. Okay, 2 pi r times 10 pi by 13. Okay.
13 by 360.
This is in radians. How can you use 360?
Wait, I don't get the difference between radians and degrees. How do you know if it's in radians or in degrees?
Ma'am, this is clearly in radians. They have used pi here. You see?
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay. Degrees means clearly you know how degrees are indicated, correct?
Yeah.
So the thing is, it's all about proportions you've learned. There is nothing to memorize here, okay? You are creating a proportion, okay? You are finding the length of the arc. So this is a part. Part by whole equal to part by whole is proportion, right? This we did discuss 2-3 weeks back. So part of the circle's perimeter is the arc, okay? So that is the arc length, which I don't know, divided by the entire circumference. What is that? 2 pi times 18. When you think about it, arc length is in meter and the circumference is also in meter. So meter by meter, that is what is a ratio, right? So what will you equate it to? You have, see, this arc is making this angle. So I will put that angle on top first. Divided by the perimeter of the circle will create how much, what is the angle in radians? 360 degrees, I know, but what is that in radians?
2 pi.
2 pi.
Yeah, remember guys, we did this. So now what you don't know is very easy to find.
Wait, why did you turn 10? Why did you make the 13 into a 3?
No, I should have written like this. Is this what you're asking?
Yeah, why is it a 3, not a 13?
Oh, 13. Sorry. Sorry, I did not see. It was my bad. I still saw that as 3, even after you asked. Sorry about it. Go ahead. So, how do you find this? 5 by 13 times 2 by 18. You can round it to the nearest hundreds. So these are just based out of meaning. This was an
It
existing
would be
problem in our
180 divided by 13 pi.
What is it, ma?
180 pi divided by 13 is the answer in radians.
118?
Pi divided by 13.
Yeah, send me the answer in decimal, ma.
Oh, decimal.
What should I round the decimal to?
To hundreds, I told you.
So the second one?
Yes. Are you able to do? Ashita, did you get it? Dhruv, did you get it?
Yeah, I sent my answer.
Oh, you sent your answer 1 minute.
Half
Yes.
of the answer.
Yes, my love. Yeah, I think you all got it. Okay, can I move on? Okay, now let's try this. This is also in circles, but based on a PSAT test. Let's see. See, when the circles all come together, it's always struggle. Okay, the first time it's struggle. Honestly, that's what I've seen. Okay, but then we will not have that happen. Let's see. Let's try to push it out together now. Topics. When we bring it up together, it's very difficult to remember. That's the deal I'm saying. Try this. Are you able to try, or you want me to do the diagram on the board? Let me know, guys. I'm
Can
okay
we
with
try
anything.
ourselves
Yeah, you
first?
can. Yes, okay. No, just, I mean, I'm not pushing or anything, but then I just want to know what you're doing. I don't want to waste time. Can I do on the board immediately? Let me know, guys.
Did I get it right?
Yeah, I have some answers. Did you get it right? Hmm.
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
1 second, guys. I'm a little lost. Hold on. Why I'm lost? I don't know. Interesting. That's not nice. What did I do? No, I'm a little lost on that question. Okay, did you? There is a concept that we have studied to be used, but Keyura and Dhruv, each of your answers seems so different. Oh wow. Okay, I'm not lost. Okay, got it. Dhruv, your answer seems right.
Okay.
Ashita, your answer seems right. How about this? Is this hard? Keyura, how did you do? Dhruv, you want to explain? We'll move on.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so first, like, can you draw it out first?
Yeah, sure. You want me to draw?
Yeah.
Circle is inscribed a right triangle. Mm-hmm. Let me do it properly, guys. Okay. Circle is tangent to the hypotenuse AB. Okay, at point.
Yeah, and
AP is
yeah, AP is 6 and BP is 9. So let's call this point like Q or something. Yeah, and then this point's like Z. Okay. Yeah. So BQ has to equal 9 because the tangency
Mm-hmm.
the tangent segments thing. So
Mm-hmm.
those will equal 9 and AV and AP are equal to 6, so the same thing. So then we can call ZC and CQ as Z or V or X, my bad. So
X, huh?
then
Okay, you want to call it as X because see, this is the hat theorem, right? These two are equal.
yeah. So yeah, when you do that.
Does it make sense? It's Pythagorean theorem basically. You got it?
I drew the whole diagram wrong. That's why I got it wrong.
Okay, I'll move on then. So match, after drawing the diagram, match it again with the diagram, meaning with whatever is given. Let's see, is this easy for you? Common tangents is easy. Still we have not done a lot of it, right? Okay, so I don't want you to feel so hard, but at the same time I want you to try. Oh yeah, this is a good one. You want to try this? I don't know. Okay, I don't know if this is easier, guys, but it is. We have covered this though. This is good rigor. This is the rigor that you will have, not more. But try. If you find it hard, then we can reduce. But I want to move on to, guys. So let's move on to.
Inscribed in a circle means the hexagon is in the circle, right?
Inscribed means it touches. The given question says a regular hexagon is inscribed in a circle, means hexagon's vertices touch the circle.
Okay.
Is it hard? Can I do? Can I help?
Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Oh, is it that hard, Dhruv? I doubt, Dhruv. I'm checking.
Is it wrong?
I don't know, Dhruv. Wait, Dhruv. Can you? Oh, yeah, that seems right. Can you answer in terms of pi possible, or I can convert to? Yes, your answer is right. Good job, Dhruv. See, this can build your confidence slowly. Can I do, guys? Or you want to explain through? Vibha, I'm not getting answers from you. What's going on, Vibha?
I can explain.
Vibha?
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry, I joined a little late, so I'm still trying to like understand what's going on.
No, this is from last week, right? Last few weeks, right?
Yeah.
I really want to know what's going on, yeah. So, are you doing the homework, Vibha?
Yeah, I am.
Can you explain it, Miss Priya?
Yes. Ashita, did you get the answer?
I just
Yeah,
sent.
that's right. You want to explain, ma'am? Ashita, you want to explain?
I don't know exactly how to explain it because I found it kind of confusing as well.
Oh,
So
wow.
can you explain it?
Okay, no
Miss
problem.
Priya, I can explain it.
You want to try? Okay, try.
Yeah, I'll try.
Go ahead.
So, since it's inscribed with a circle of radius 10, yeah, the center to each vertex would be, yeah, it would be a 30, 60, 90 triangle, which means like this part would be 5, pretty sure. So that means this whole thing would be 10. So the hexagon length would be 10 for one side.
Did you guys get it? It's a 30-60. See, hexagon alone, you can clearly say. If it's a pentagon, you can't say this. If it's a hexagon, 360 degrees is divided by 6, right? Each is a 30 degrees. And it's an equilateral triangle. A regular hexagon means it's an equilateral triangle. As a result, this becomes a 30-60-90 triangle. When the radius is 10, the all other sides can easily be found out. So,
Yeah, and
using a
yeah,
30-60-90 triangle, you find that this is each is a 5, so the entire thing is a 10. If that is a 10, then what is the area of the region inside the large circle but outside the small circle?
There's another circle inscribed in the hexagon.
What is area of the region inside the large circle but outside the small circle? Inside the large circle. Oh,
it's just the larger circle minus the smaller circle area.
inside the hexagon. So basically, this is this. I'll show you. So what is the area inside? Oh my goodness. What is the area of the region inside the large circle but outside the small circle, right? Outside the small circle means this area they're asking, right?
It's just the larger circle area minus the smaller circle area.
Good. It is just the large circle area. Area of the large circle minus area of small circle. So that would be, what is the large circle area? Large circle area is
It's 100 pi
100 pi. Yeah? How did you get that? 100 pi
because
means
the radius is 10.
radius is 10, right? So pi r square, pi times 100, 100 pi. What is the small circle area? Small circle area is a little tricky where you need to find this radius. This is your radius, right? So what is that? By a 30-60-90 triangle, this is 5 root 3. Yep. 5 root 3. So pi times 5 root 3 the whole square. So it is 75 pi. This is 100 pi. So answer is 25 pi. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now can I move on? I really want to move on. No. Do you want to do more problems like this, or can I move on to part 8 and part 9?
You can move on.
Do part 8 and part 9.
Yeah, because I really want to finish. Whenever we have time, we'll do this again, okay? Because finishing that is our main goal, right? So part 8 and part 9 we'll do today. Part 8, 9. I want to do 10 as well. Part 8 is review. That's good. Part 8 is review, so you can do, but I will review that. What big deal? Okay, let's see this one. You think you can do this? Let's see. Okay, can you find the measure of BCA? BCA. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see, guys. Do you think you can find BCA? We did till part 7, right, Ma?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so find the measure of BCA arc.
What arc?
I will write, Ma. I will write down, Ma. I was searching for my pen. Measure of arc BCA. Make sense?
Yeah.
Eighth is just a review. You can do 9 and 10. We need to finish though. We'll do slowly.
Miss Priya, is BAC a right triangle?
BAC. Yeah, BAC is a right triangle, yes. It's a little tricky.
What angle is it saying 68 is?
What is that, Ma?
What angle is 68 degrees? Which one?
What angle is it? BC. BC arc is 68 degrees.
Oh,
So if you want to find BCA, oh, it's just okay. Wait, Ma. I don't even need the angle. Adjust the angle. Measure of BCA. You have to find this.
Oh, we're doing angle BCA?
Yes, Ma.
I thought we were doing arc. I don't know.
Yeah, I thought we were an arc.
Let's do the angle BCA. Angle BCA is a little tricky. This is.
Miss Priya, is my answer right?
I can check.
Wait, no. Wait, it's not right. It's okay. Wait, I'll send what I meant to put. Okay, yeah, that one.
Wow. How did you guys get Ashrita and Dhruv?
I can explain if you want.
Alternate interior angle.
I didn't do that. I just because I know that since the angle BAD has to be a right angle because it's making like a point with a circumference, so that has to be 90.
That you cannot assume, Ashrita. I thought you would assume that. That you cannot assume. Nobody says that. You see, Ashrita? Nobody said that that was a right angle, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This
Wait,
is definitely 90 degrees. Okay,
is
taken.
it 59?
It's not 59 actually. How will you say that it's 59? You can't say that, right?
No, because if you do what Drew said, alternate interior angles, wouldn't it be 59?
Which are alternate interior angles?
Well, I still don't know. But
We're not allowed to do it because we don't know if AD and BC are parallel.
Correct. That's not alternate interior angles because they're not parallel. I'm trying to understand what else we can use actually.
Wait, Miss Preston, that's not my other answer. Is that right?
Yeah, let me check. That's right. You want to explain, Ma?
Okay.
Good job.
So basically, what I did is that I know that angle C, it has to be an inscribed angle for arc
Correct.
AB. So it has to be half of arc AB, and we know that the entire arc ABC has to be equal to 180 because it's half of the circle. So I did 180 minus 68, and I
Very
got
nice.
112. I
Very nice.
divided that by 2 to get 56.
So, see, this is 180. As she said, this is 180, right? That's a good one actually. So this is 180. So what did you do, Ma? 180 minus 68 you did for this
Yeah.
AB?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I got 112, and then C is the inscribed angle of that, so it has to be half of that.
C is the inscribed angle for that. Good job. For this arc, C is the inscribed angle because it's an angle on the vertex. The angle whose vertex is on the circle. So that is the inscribed angle for it. So it will be half of that, which is 56. Good job. Can I move on? Okay. Never assume if it is not given. Okay. Now, find x and y. Okay, how about this? I'll give this to you guys. Try this one. This is the question. After this, we'll move on to part 9. In the figure, KL is a tangent to M at K. Okay. Wow. What will you do for this one? It's not a hard one. So, how will you find x?
You have to
Pythagorean
use
theorem.
Pythagoras. You do x squared plus 17 squared.
Exactly. Why would you use Pythagorean theorem?
Because KL is a tangent, which means angle K is the right angle.
Good job. Can I move on with the part 9? Amma, as we move further, it's going to be complicated. Vibha, are you following Vibha?
Yeah.
Okay, can I move on with part 9? Can we move on with part 9?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the main concept that I want you to learn for secants, tangents, and angle measures. We are going to discuss secants and tangents. What is a secant? What is a tangent? Tangent to a circle touches the circle at one point. Secant to a circle touches it at 2 points. Make sense?
Mhm.
This is a secant, this is a tangent. That's what you need to know.
And a tangent is perpendicular with the radius, right?
Completely agree. Okay. Now, the main concept that you need to understand are three different, can be categorized into three. One is there can be two tangents. You see, Here there are two tangents. This is the first thing. Two tangents, you see. Now this arc is making, the arc length is 100 degrees. Arc measure is 100 degrees. This AC arc measure is 260 degrees. Why? 360 minus 100, right? So when you have two tangents that are meeting outside the circle, then measure of that angle ABC will be equal to half of measure of AC minus this. Any questions?
No.
Now the thing is, see, this is a tangent and a tangent. Okay, what we are going to discuss next is a secant and a secant when they meet outside the circle. And then the last one we'll do is secant and a tangent. Makes sense? Three combinations. When a secant and a tangent meets outside, it's again the same thing if you think about it. AD, half of measure of AD minus AC, whatever is involved. The bigger angle minus the smaller angle, divide by 2. Whereas when two secants meet outside, right, again it's the same thing. The big angle minus the small angle, divide by 2. Makes sense? Basically, all three are based on the same thing. Angle formed outside is half the difference of the intercepted arcs. Make sense? Does it make sense?
Yes.
So whenever an angle is formed outside, it will always be half of the difference of the intercepted arcs. It can be two tangents, two secants, or a secant and a tangent. Can I move on? I think this is one part of memorization, I feel. We are not even dealing with proofs, right? So it's a lot of memorization here. How about this? Can you find this for me? With what we have learned, can you find this? You get it, guys? So basically this is what I gave is a secant and a tangent, right? Oh wow, they have given one. Oh, that's a good one. I would like to see what you guys get. They've
I
asked me
got
for
something, but it seems
QTS.
wrong.
Huh?
I got something, but it seems really wrong.
Yeah, they have. It's a teeny bit tricky.
Whisper, is my answer right?
Yeah, ma, 1 minute. That's right, Dhruv. Ashrita. That's right. Seema, Keura, this time they've asked a different one.
They
have not
asked for
asked
T, right?
exact, meaning half of the bigger angle minus the bigger angle is what they're asking.
I did T minus 160 divided 106 divided by 2 equals 71, and I got T equals 208.
248, right?
Oh, I forgot to add the 40.
Okay, good. So if you can understand this, good. See, everything in circles, when you study separately, it's very easy. That's what I've always seen. But when you study together, it's always hard. Let's see one more. Okay, how about this? What is the this is a TEAK standard too. But this one is easy for you guys. I don't want to give you this. See, if it's easy, you can do it at home. Okay, higher order thinking, we'll do one. This is, how about this? Okay, how about this? If you can remember for all the three outside point meet up, how to find the angle, then this subtopic should be easy.
Is my answer right, Miss Priya?
One second, let me check. Is your answer right? So 8 and 9 is less, but we want to finish. Let's see. Okay, so that is, where is it? Okay. Not really Keura. Dhru, Ashita, did you get? No, ma. Why there is a difference, guys?
Well, I said my answer.
Ashrita, no, Ashrita.
Shouldn't it be the bigger part minus the smaller part equals the angle? So then you would do 9x minus 9 is equal to 4x.
Which is the bigger part? You're all okay. Let's see.
9
See.
26.
Oh, am I seeing the wrong thing? Yes, I'm seeing the wrong thing. You're right. Sorry, guys. Sorry, you're right. You're right. 9x plus 26 minus 4x. 9x plus 26 minus 35 will be equal to 4x. That's what you did, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
I meant to give this higher order thinking problem. Okay, I didn't mean to give you the ordinary one. Sorry, guys. Here. Try this one. Something is making it tricky.
I said my answer.
Yes, sir.
Dhru, not really Dhru. Ashita, that's right. See, you can make mistakes in this very easily. I'll tell you why. Can I show you why? 5x minus 6 minus 4x minus 8. Did you make a mistake, Dhru?
Oh, I forgot to divide by 2.
Yeah. Did you see? Oh, wait. Why am I getting differently? 8 plus 6 is what? 9, 10, 14. So that's 20. See, the minus distribution is likely to make you make a mistake. Can I move on?
Yes.
So now, what next is there? Oh, wow. Okay, so we have done 8. Okay, so 8 and 9 you will do, guys. 8, 9 you'll do, but 10 if possible. Power of point is very important, guys. Okay, So we'll finish this as well. When there are segments intersecting inside the circle, okay, this is very important piece, okay. Let's see. When you have segments intersecting inside the circle, right, they are intersecting, but this is not the center. Do you see?
Yeah.
Am I making sense? So this is different from them intersecting at the center. Okay, so let's say they divide this like A, B, C, D. A dot B, A times B will be equal to C times D. Does that make sense? The lengths are small a, small b, small c, small d. Then in that case, A times B equal to C times D. Any questions there?
No.
Okay. Now, they can really make it complicated. Okay, this one, let's see. Suppose these segments intersect outside the circle. That's when they become very complicated. Okay. Again, the segment, when I say, it can be a tangent or a secant. Am I making sense? See, I'll show you two scenarios which can make it really tricky. These questions are these two. Let me erase this. Show you the two scenarios here. Okay, in the first scenario, see, there are two secants. There are two secants intersecting outside the circle. In the second scenario, there is a tangent and a secant. See, whatever we discussed was inside the circle. This is outside the circle. Outside the circle is as well very easy. If it is a secant, you just split it into two and measure and multiply. AC times AB. The full length times whatever is outside equal to the full length AE times whatever is outside. Make sense? Whole times outside. See, this is the best way to remember the secant rule. Whole times outside is equal to whole times outside. Whereas, if it is a tangent and a secant, it's slightly tricky. This tan, whatever is outside, right, that square, what is this? Here it is jk. That's why jk square will be equal to, for always secant, it's always whole times outside. Does that make sense?
Yes.
This is how I remember this. Vibha, that's nice to see your answer for the last one. Yura, did you get the answer for the last one?
I did the mistake that you were saying. I didn't distribute it properly.
Oh, okay. So for this one, right, when in a circle, when they are meeting inside, it's very easy. A times B equal to C times D. When they are meeting outside, it can be a tangent and a secant, or a secant and a tangent and a secant, and a secant and a secant. Okay, if it secant always is whole times whatever is outside. So that whole times whatever is outside is equal to whole times whatever is outside. Whereas tan and a secant means whatever is outside square will be equal to whole times whatever is outside. Any questions? Okay, but the thing is, guys, that's what meaning separately learning this. Che, why are we allocating a class to learn this? That's what I also feel when I think about separately learning each. But then when it combines, right, it becomes a whole lot harder.
Yeah.
Okay, with this, Yama?
Could you bring the previous image back for a second?
Oh my gosh. Can I? I don't know whether I can. I'll try.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I brought it. I'm glad. Okay.
Okay, thank you. That's it.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, I just want you to do at least one. Can we try? Just find out the value of x to the nearest tenth. Okay. Assume, let's try this one. This is the only one we are going to try. Okay. After we try, I'll let you go. Let's see. You have to find x to the nearest tenth. If you're able to find out, then we'll leave. But please do the problems. It's just based on, you know what, honestly talking, I would like you to do this one and then leave. 2 questions and then leave. Okay, for the first question, to find the value of x. Question is here. We can do these two, it's wonderful. You know, the little kids are really happy to be coming later. Are you able to do, guys? Oh my gosh. Ashrita, did you get it right? That doesn't seem right, ma. No, that doesn't seem correct, ma. Can I do it on the board, guys?
Yeah, sure.
Third graders, you have to wait. So, see, this is a secant and a tangent, right, ma? So, let's say this is y. So, y square will be equal to x plus 5 times 5, right? X plus 5 times 5, right? Similarly, y square will be equal to 7 and a 7, right? 14 times 7, correct, guys?
Oh, so sorry, both are equal to each other.
Yeah, so 5x plus 25 equal to 14
Wait.
times 7.
Why is it 14 times 7? Supposed to be 49 times 7?
Oh, did I make a mistake? No,
No,
right? This is
it's the whole.
total times outside.
Oh,
Total
you're right,
times
wait.
outside. Yeah, yeah. This is confusing, no doubt, when you start doing problems. So when you subtract 25, you get 73. 5x, x will be equal to 73 by 5,
4.8.
right? 14.7, I think. 14.5 or 7. Make sense?
Yeah, 14.6.
Yeah, and the second one, with that I'll let you go, guys.
Were there like answer choices, or do you have to send the equation that we're using?
No, no, what is the answer? 32 A, B, C, D, which is the answer?
Oh, I didn't see that it was a 10. Never mind. I'm gonna reset.
Okay. I'll let you go with that. Correct, Mashta, you can log off. Mitransh, after the break, we did discuss that the class was at 8:45, right? Remember?
I think I forgot.
Miss
No
Priya.
problem, Amma. Okay, yeah. So we'll see you next week, but go through the recording. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay? Yes, Vibha, you can log off. Dhruv, you can log off. Good job, guys.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Please do 9, 10, 8, 9, 10.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya, is it E?
Yes, correct, Makeyura.
Okay,
Good
thank
job.
you.
Bye, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Okay, how are you guys?
Good.
Good. I miss seeing you during the break. Did you all enjoy the break?
Yeah.
Is this timing much better?
Yeah.
I know, right? Yeah, I really feel enthusiastic seeing you all at this time rather than that 8:40.
Bye.
Okay, good. Okay, did you have any questions? Let's go back, guys. I really want to see where we are. I really want to. Just give me 1 minute, Ma. One minute, guys. One second. Otherwise, I'll forget to do certain things. So let me finish before I forget. Okay. Coming to yours. Let me see. So how was it, guys? How were you able to do 38, 42, 43, 77, 76? We didn't have the last one homework that I know. But then did you have any questions that you want to discuss first before we move on?
No.
No. Okay. I'm glad to see Aditi in class. Okay. Now see, the mental math piece is hanging in the air, I know, but I also want to do a couple of word problems. So let's see. 1 second, guys. I'm going to bring up something for you. Let's see.
Miss Priya, I had a question. It was the question 202 on page 43.
202. If you 202 in which book, ma? 3D.
Yeah.
There is no 202, right?
Tell the page number.
No. Am I missing something? Can you tell me the right page number?
Page number is 40.
I can.
Page number is 43.
Okay, got it. Lizzie writes a number that is between 1/9 and 1/10. Okay, she only uses the digit 789 in the numerator and denominator. Okay, and each digit is exactly used once. Find the two numbers Lizzie could have written. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, shall we go over that in detail?
Yeah.
It's a good one actually. So how to find out? Okay, I'm going to let you think about it. Where is my pen? 1 second, guys. Let me go there. That's a good one to discuss. Now, how about we want numbers. What were the numbers given? Fraction 1/9 and 1/10. How to find out numbers between these two numbers, guys? Any thoughts? How to find out numbers that are between these? Yes, Kripa, go ahead. Tell your thoughts.
Probably like mixed fractions.
It can't be mixed fractions. How can it be mixed fraction? 1/9 is less than 10. 1/10 is less than 10. Can it be a mixed fraction?
No.
So what do I do?
Can I explain, Miss Priya?
Yeah, try
So you have to do 0.5.
What is it?
0.5 because since 19 is only one number, you have to have 1, which is equal to 0.5. So if you do 9.5, which is
Yeah, 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 but that 1 by 9.5 has to use the number 789. That is the challenge here, right? If it has to use 7, 8, what can be the numbers? It can be 7 by 89. Or what can the other numbers be? Let's do it. Let's do it. 7, 8 by 79. Or 9 by 9 by
87.
87. But it can also be what?
9 by 78.
7 by 98, 8 by 97, 9 by 78.
78.
It can only be of the 6, correct? Now, Kripa, what are your thoughts? Go ahead.
Well, last class not last class, I don't remember one of the classes we learned that we have to divide the number to make it into 1 so that we can find how to make a number in between.
Good idea. That's a good idea. But here you have the answers with you. One of this has to be your answer, correct? How can I find that's between these two? So clearly you all know about equal fractions, right? You all know about equal fractions, correct? Do you think how do I try converting to, see, the denominator has to match for me to compare fractions, correct? The denominator has to match if I want to compare fractions, but one's denominator is 9, one's denominator is 10. Shreyank, what do you think? Where did you get stuck? Vishwa has some thoughts, but I'll come back, Vishwa.
Do we simplify it?
Do we simplify it? That is going to be hard, right? To simplify 7 by 89.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm stuck here.
you got stuck here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Any other thoughts? Vishwa, what did you want to say, Vishwa?
I was about to say simplifying.
Simplifying it. How to simplify, ma? 7 by 89 can't be simplified, right?
Yeah.
So how to simplify that? What I would do, let's see. 1 by 9, it should fall between 1 by 9 and 1 by 10. So if I convert it to, see, one is you can match the denominators or you can match the numerators and compare as well. That is also fine. Suppose if I match the numerators, suppose let's say 1 by 9, 1 by 10. Okay. So now you have to place whether 7 by 89 can come in between. That is so hard to calculate, right? Oh yeah, no. It's not hard. So why don't we compare this? Does this lie between this? You all know how to find out, right? Last week we did it. So 1 by 9, if I place 7 by 89 in between, can I make sure 7, see, you know how to compare fractions now. 1 by 2 is greater or 1 by 4 is greater, Anjali? Yeah, this is the easiest way. Now you know how to compare fractions, right? By cross multiplying. Did we discuss last week?
Yeah.
So 1 by 2 is greater or 1 by 4 is greater?
1 by 2 is greater.
Okay. How about if I give you 3 by 5 is greater or 5 by 6 is greater?
5 by 6 is greater.
How? This is 25, this is 18, right? So why don't we use that, I feel, honestly? Because I know all of my answers. So I'll do 1 by 1. It's a case work. I'll do 1 by 1 by 1. Let's see, 7 by 89. If I put that, let's see this one. Which is greater? This is 63, this is 89. Oh, wow. Which is greater?
1 by 9.
1 by 9 is greater, right? Okay. Between this is 70, this is 89. Ah, this is greater. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Is this what we want?
No, it has to be less.
Exactly. So it has to be So basically it has to be like this. 1 by 10 should be the least. Then you have to have a fraction. Then you need to have 1 by 9. But if I put 7 by 89 in between, I end up having these two signs. Vishwa, what are your thoughts? Go ahead.
Can you go to the restroom?
Exactly. We'll go to the next one. Good job, guys. We'll go to the next
Can
one.
you go to the restroom?
What is it?
I said, can we go to the restroom?
Restroom, please go. 8 by 79. What? So, one of you explain. Is this right or wrong? Will 8 by 79 come? What was the question, guys? They asked for two numbers. Okay. You have to find out two numbers. Come on, guys. Is this correct or not? All of you try. This is 79. 8 nines are 72. Which is greater? This is greater. Good job. That's what we want. Now, comparing these two, this is 80. This is 79. Wow. This seems to work. Shreyank, are you with me?
So I'm doing it.
So, this is one number that can be placed. Right? But I will wait. Now you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to sit and watch you do the rest of the ones, the rest of the four, and choose one of them. Let me see. I will wait patiently. You're going to plug in this, plug in this, plug in this, plug in this. Tell me one of the answers should fit in. Please send the answer in chat.
Okay. Wait. Auntie,
Yama?
what were the on top of eight 879? There was a number on top of that. How did you get?
I didn't get the question. Please repeat, ma.
Like on one line, there was a number on like when you were comparing both of these.
I didn't get it. What was that?
Like there was a number on top of each one of them that you were comparing.
There was a number on top. I didn't get it. Can you explain? Sorry, ma. Tell me again.
Like when you were comparing everything, right?
Yeah, when you're comparing everything, see, the way to compare is 5 by 6, 3 by 5. How to compare? I asked you to cross multiply. If this number is greater, this fraction is greater, I said last week, right?
Yeah.
So like that, can you compare by putting each of the numbers? We already found that one of your answer that will fit in is 8 by 79. We found this to be correct already. There is nothing to discuss that this was right, we discussed. From these four, from the other four remaining, there should be one more answer. You have to try this, try this, try this, try this, and pick up one that falls between these two.
Okay.
Am I making sense?
Does the numerator have to be 8? Oh wait.
Does the numerator need not necessarily be? You'll have to put in and see. They just said the fraction should contain each of these digits once. So I wrote out all the possible fractions. In that, we analyzed this was not even between this, so we took it off. Then 8 by 79 worked perfectly. How did it work perfectly? I put 8 by 79, compared these two, made sure 1 by 9 was greater. Then I compared these two, I made sure 8 by 79 was greater. Using our butterfly pattern, butterfly comparison. Like that, I want you to try for other four fractions. Can we try?
Miss Priya,
Hmm.
can I go quickly get my charger?
Yeah, go, get it and come. Next week, have your charger ready before class.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Wait, does this sign have to be facing the left side or the right side?
What was that?
Does this sign have to be facing the left side or the right side? Like
Good question. 1 by 9 is bigger than 1 by 10 or 1 by 10 is bigger than 1 by 9?
1 by 9 is bigger.
That's it. You answered your question.
No, it means which side does the sign go? Like, what's the
Oh,
greatest
see,
sign?
okay. Vihan, if you write 1 by 9 first, automatically 1 out of 9 is greater, right? 1 by 10.
Oh.
So the sign has
And
to
if
be
you
like
want
this.
it less than?
Yeah, it can be either way. Both are one. See, both will have the same answer, guys. It should either be this or this. You can take either, right? Because when you switch the numbers, you're switching the sign, right?
Oh, wait, yeah. That's
Did that make sense, Vihan?
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay, go ahead.
That's right.
I'll wait. Slowly put in one by one number. There are only four. I'm asking you to pick one.
So, 98.
I got the answer.
I don't know what is the answer though. I have to check as well. Otherwise, I'll do it on the board.
I sent the answer in chat.
Good job, Shreyang. Give me 1 minute and I can check, please. We found out 8 by 79. Let's see. Kripa, that doesn't seem right, ma. Just check. Yes, Shreyank, you got it. Adya, you got it. How about Vishwa, Vihan, Kripa? Are you guys able to do? Srimitran, where are we? Srimitran and Ananya, where are we, ma?
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
So, like for the other ones, the 1 by 9 was greater. Is that supposed to be correct?
Ma, you tell me, Kripa, 1 by 9 should be greater or 1 by 10 should be greater of the lot? See, if you put 1, 2, 3, automatically 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3. If you put 3, 2, 1, 3. So if a number is between two numbers, the signs should be less than totally, or I'm sorry, 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. So it has to be 2 greater or 2 lesser than symbols, right? Don't worry about the fraction. Don't worry about the fractions. Just write out whole numbers and see. When you write, what is going on? Hold on. When you write out whole numbers, you're able to see if you put the 1 in front, if you put the lesser number in front, automatically it will be like this. If you put the greater number in front, automatically it will be like this. So fractions also do the same thing. 1 by 9 is bigger, so both the signs should be like this. So you have to find a number which is a fraction which is less than 1 by 9 and greater than 1 by 10. Make sense?
Yeah.
Take your time slowly, even if you do one. Yeah, Vishwa, that's right. Vishwa, did you do it by yourself? Vishwa, did you do it by yourself? You know what? I will do estimation from this book. 100% I will do estimation from this book. But the thing is, I want to do estimation for your school level as well. Okay, there is a separate assignment I want you to thoroughly do. Okay, that as well I'll put it in the Google Classroom. We will do estimation.
Priya, am I correct?
Akshara, not really, ma. Why?
Priya, am I correct?
Akshara, I'll check. Vihand. Mm, no, I don't know why. Let's see. Let's see together, guys. Okay, let's see together. Akshara has the answer 7 by 98. I'm going to put it out and see. If I put 7 by 98, are the signs correct? I'm going to check. Akshara has this answer. So between these two, first I'll make the comparison. Here I get 98. 7 nines are 63. Yes, this is correct. If I put 7 by 98. Did you again compare these two? Then that becomes 70 and a 98. This is greater, guys. 1 by 10 is greater than 7 by 98. So 7 by 98 is not falling within this. You see, so both the signs should come out as greater. 7 by 98 should be bigger than 1 by 10. But what is happening here? 7 is less than. So 7 by 98 can't be the answer. Now, let me come to whose answer next. Vihan's answer, can I explain? Vihan, I'm going to explain 9 by 78. He put 9 by 78 here. Let me compare these two. 78, 81. Vihan, here itself, see the sign is changing. Did you see?
Oh.
Did you understand, Vihan?
Yeah.
Okay. So 9 by 78 is making a mess. Okay, right off the start. So that is also not the answer. There is one between 9 by 87 and 8 by 97. You have to compare both. Anjali, the first answer is what we arrived. Aru, the first answer is what we arrived. I want the second answer. Aditi, can you check Aditi? Akshara, I want all of you to try once. Meaning, if you don't understand, raise up. I'll help you.
Miss Priya, did you want the answer that you also got, or the answer that we got?
One that I did not get. We need two fractions. One we found out. What is the other one?
I think I sent. Did I send that one?
Aru, I'm checking. Aru, you sent whatever we got together. 8 by 79, which is marked in green. But I want the other one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so you need to check all the rest of the 5. Akshara, you got it, ma. Anjali.
Yeah. Am I correct?
Yes, Vihan, you're right. Aru, that's right.
Miss Priya, am I right?
Priya auntie.
Anjali, not really, ma Anjali. Anjali, see here, Anjali. If I put 8 by 97, how did you do? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Is this comparison working? That works because this is 97, this is 8 nines, butterfly, right? 8 nines are 72. That works. But for the next one, does it work? Butterfly, right? 80 comes here, here 97 comes. So this is bigger, correct?
Yeah.
So that's not working. Your number is not working, right? You should get both greater than.
Okay. Mute.
Good job, Shankari. Srimitran, where is your answer, ma?
Miss Priya,
Yes.
does 9 by 87 work?
I don't know. You have to check and tell me. Yes, Ananya, I'm happy to clarify your question.
My chat isn't working.
Your chat is not working. No reply. Shreyank, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. I remember.
Miss Priya,
Yes.
correct.
Aditi, that's right, Aditi. Aditi, did you understand how you did it?
Yeah.
Aru, did you understand, ma? See, if I place 9 by 87, what happens, guys? How to compare both the fractions? Let's see. Cross multiply. When you cross multiply, this will be 87 times 1. This will be 9 times 9, 81. In these two sets of fraction, this is definitely greater. In the next one, cross multiply. 9 times 10 is 90. Write down that on top. Cross multiply 87. This is greater. Perfectly works. So 9 by 87 is the other number. Got it?
Pejoratorium.
What is it, Akshara?
Pejoratorium.
Akshara, did you get it? Akshara, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Yeah, I want to do one or two more. What is a unit fraction, guys? What
A
is a
unit
unit fraction?
fraction is focusing on like
Anything with
like
one on the
numerator.
one on the numerator.
numerator.
Good
Yeah.
job. Anything that has one on the numerator. Good job. Now, if I give you this, what will you do, guys? How will you compare this? Such big numbers, so hard. So, what will you do?
I can multiply them.
You can do cross multiplication.
Yeah.
Oh, with those big numbers?
No.
Then
No,
what
we
can I
can
do?
just do whoever has a smaller denominator. Because the smaller denominator, even though if it's a bigger, greater numerator, still 200 has smaller pieces than like 99.
Ah, see, okay, one thing is cross multiplication. You can multiply 37 times 200, which is very easy to do. Why? Because it's 7400. Directly, you multiply only these two and then add 00. Here it is 73 times 99. How do you do that? 73 times 99, who can do it fast? How to do 73 times 99 very fast?
73 times 100 minus.
Good job. 73 times 100 minus 73. Very nice. So now that is going to be smaller than 7400. Do you see it? That's definitely going to be smaller. So this is correct. You got it, guys?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Good. Cross multiplication, you have to be a little. What is it? You have to remember how to do.
Multiplication.
Okay, who's going to do this one? 84 times 99. Who's going to do it faster? Okay, can I
See,
pick out?
actually, 84 times 100, so 84 times 1 is 84. So 8400.
8400 and
minus
after that?
84 minus 100 minus 84. 8400 minus 84 is.
What is 400 minus 84? 300?
Wait, no. No, wait,
Yeah, 400 minus 84, right?
yeah, that is 84. That is 300 and
See, go to 90. Go to 90, you have a 10, right? After that, you have 6. So 300 and?
26.
No.
96.
Huh?
No, 300. 300. 300 and 26. 316.
Yeah, see, this mistake I really want you guys to avoid. Okay, you cannot say 26. Okay, hold on. Here, see. 8,400 minus 84. You know how I do? 8,000 is always there. What you just need to do is 400 minus 84. Okay, you have to be quick here. Okay, so don't worry about this. 300 is always there. So I just need 100 minus 84. Okay, now don't do this. You're going to get confused. Okay, don't see this number like this. Make it a 90. 100 minus 90 is what?
10.
100 minus 90 is a 10. But you have 6 more. See, you subtracted only 90, but you need to subtract 6 more. Meaning, you subtracted 6. Okay, so you should subtract 84 from 80, right? But you subtracted 90, which is 6 more. So I'll add that 6 later. So now I got 90, right? I'm sorry, I got a 10. 100 minus 90 is a 10. But then, remember, instead of subtracting 84, I subtracted 90, which 6 more I subtracted. So I'll have to add that 6. So 316. Make sense? 800 minus 76 is what, Srimitran? 800 minus 76. Quick.
24. I mean,
Good. 24. Good. Oh, what is it?
724.
Very nice. 900 minus 72 is what, Shreyank? Keep going. Split it. 800 plus 100 minus 72. What is it? Subtract more. Subtract 80 quickly. Good job.
828.
Very nice. Anjali, if you subtract 72, automatically it will come to 800, ma. So 828. Good job. How about this? 500 minus 56. Can I call out? Adya, you tell me. 500 minus 56.
Can we send it
400
in
minus 48. Can I call out Aru?
500 minus 56 is
Subtract 60, ma. It's very easy. If you subtract 60, it is 440. What? The last digit.
444.
Subtract more. Aru, go ahead with this. 400 minus 48 is what?
400 minus 48 is
Subtract 50.
th- 350
50 what?
to 2.
See how easy it is. Okay. Now who didn't answer? Kripa, can you answer this 600 minus 46?
600 minus 46 is
Subtract 50.
550.
See the last number.
4.
Last digit. 4. Good job. Ananya V, I want you to try. 700 minus 82.
680.
Subtract 90. What will happen? 618. Good job, guys. Okay. Are you all happy? Did I miss anybody?
Yeah, you missed me.
I didn't want to ask Vihan, but I will ask. 900 minus 68. I didn't ask Aditya, you know. 900. I don't want to pressurize you today. 900 minus 68.
You missed me. You didn't ask me.
Okay, I'll ask you Akshara. Definitely. Go ahead. 900 minus 68. You do this, Akshara.
Miss Priya, you didn't ask me either.
Yeah, I skipped some
Can
of
you
you.
ask me?
Vihan, go ahead. Okay, now I'll ask. Okay. Let's see this one. Go ahead. Shankari, go ahead with this. Quick. I want to see who gets it.
656.
Good, that's it. Akshara and Vihan, come on.
Could you ask me? 700. 842.
720. Akshara, I'm here.
3.
Good job, guys. I'm going to move on now. You all got the hang of it. Okay. Okay, how about this? 2 by 11. Okay. Less than 1 by y, less than 2 by 9. Okay, what is y? See, y can have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can't even have 0. So now, come on, guys. You'll have to find the same logic, whatever we were doing. Come on. You're going to try. I'm going to wait and watch.
Miss Priya, do you have to do like 2/11 and then less than, and then 1y, you can just place the numbers there and see if it's right or wrong?
Yeah. That's one good method. Yes. That's one good method.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer. No, you're not.
Yes, Shankari, that's right, Shankari.
I learned that
Only
a
11:30.
long time ago. You're
I'm
not.
Akshara, I want you to do. Nice. You're nicely talking, Akshara, but you're keeping quiet.
Am I correct, Miss Priya?
Not really, Vihan.
Huh?
Did you check both ways? Did you check both
It's
ways? The first comparison you made a mistake with your fraction. See, Vihan, I want you to be more careful. So, Vihan, the check here failed. Did you check with this? The check there did not obey the sign. If you put 1 by 9 here, check. Did it obey?
yeah,
No.
but is it 1 by 9 greater than 2 by 11? And it's also less than 2 by 9
1 by
because
9 is 1 by 9 is not greater. 2 by 11 is greater. Hey, Vihan. Wait. Did I make a mistake? I don't think so. See, 2 by 11, 1 by 9. Vihan, come on. Which is greater? This is 18, this is 11, this is greater. See? So the sign itself didn't obey.
Oh,
Ah. I'm going to wait and see. Shankari, I know you got the answer. You can keep quiet for a minute.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah, I'm checking. Right now I'm going through. Vishwa, correct. Vishwa, did you do it by yourself?
Yeah, my father's in a meeting
Helped
and my
you?
mother's not home.
Okay. How about this? No. Vishwa, I didn't get it. What? Your father?
My father's not here.
Okay, so you're doing it by yourself. I'm so glad. Okay. Shreyank, let's do yours, Shreyank. 2 by 11, 1 by 4, 2 by 9. Is this right?
Yeah.
Did you check this?
Yeah.
Good. Did you check this?
Yeah.
I don't think so. This is 9 and 8, which is greater.
Oh.
Uh-oh. It needs a lot of persistence. If you want to finish the Beast Academy books, it needs a lot of persistence.
Miss Priya,
Yes, tell me.
can I explain?
Yeah, why don't you explain? Come on, go ahead.
Okay, so since y can only be 1, 2, 3, and so on till 9, 11 times 1 is 11, and y times 2 has to be less than 11, so only 1 through 5 can be y, so I
Good.
can't
Very
6
nice.
through 9. So it cannot be 6 through 9. So I did 9 times 1, and it was 9. And the only number that can be correct for y is 5, because 5 times 2 is 10, and 5 times 2 is 10.
2 by 11 less than 1 by 5. Is it correct? Yes. This is 10, 11. This is less. Again, compare with this. What happens here? This is 10. This is 9. It is greater. Good job. 1 by 5 is the answer. Aru, did you understand, Aru?
Yeah.
Okay. Quick, guys. Now, do you know what is a centimeter? What is a ruler? Do you know? Have you come across a ruler?
Yeah.
I know what's a ruler.
You know
I
what
know
a
what
ruler
a
is?
roller is.
Okay, I can show you. Hold on. I want to show you and see. What do you know? What you don't know? Let's check it out. Wait. Okay. Have you heard of inches and centimeters, guys?
Yes.
Yeah, we learned it in school.
Yeah.
Okay.
I learned it in second grade.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Me too.
So let me bring up this image and show you. You're going to tell me which is an inch, which is a. Okay. There is a ruler on the board, right? So inch is bigger or centimeter is bigger, Ananya V? Inch is bigger or centimeter is bigger?
Inches.
Inches is bigger or inches is bigger? Good job. What is a ruler? What measurement does a ruler on the board show? Is it centimeter or inches?
Inches.
Inches.
Centimeters
I thought it
and
was
inches.
centimeter. Yeah, I thought it was centimeter, right?
Yeah, it's centimeter.
Yeah, I thought it was centimeter, but let's see. Let's see. I don't want to get there because it's not that clear, but let's see. What I want you to understand is this. Yes. Good morning.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. When you look at this, right? See, guys, centimeter is a very small unit. Do you see? This is 1 centimeter. Whereas inch is a little longer. You see? Inch is a little longer.
1 inch is 3 centimeters.
1 inch is
1 inch is 2.5 centimeters.
yeah, 1 inch is 2.5 centimeters.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
doesn't a ruler for both of them start with a 0? Or does it start with 1?
They start with a 0, ma. Now let me ask you guys. I'm going to do something in here. Okay? I'm going to draw a pencil. I'm going to draw a pencil. See, I'm drawing a pencil on the ruler. How long is this pencil? How long is this pencil? Can you please tell me how long is this pencil?
In chat?
8 centimeters.
In inches or centimeters?
In centimeters is okay.
Okay.
It's 8 centimeters.
Incorrect.
9.
Oh, it's 7. It's 7.
9.
7.
Oh,
8
guys.
1.5.
8 centimeters.
7. 8 1.5.
7 centimeters.
Guys, think about it. Okay, we did not start here. We started at 1. So, ended at 8. 8 minus 1 is how much?
7.
7 centimeters. We did not start at 0. Okay, suppose if I give you this pencil, you need to be very careful when I ask things like this. What is the measurement of this pencil?
7 centimeters.
7 centimeters.
No.
6 centimeters.
6 centimeters. How many hops? How many frog jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters.
It did not count properly.
See how you don't need to sit and count. You know what? 11 minus 5. Start minus end. How about I have a caterpillar. This caterpillar measures like this. How long is this caterpillar?
5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. You need to be very careful, guys. You got it? So, centimeters much smaller than inches. 2.5 centimeter or 2.5 centimeters make 1 inch. Make sense? But where do we use the centimeter? Where do we use this inch?
Inches you can use for slightly bigger things than centimeters.
I agree. But where location? Where in the world do we use this?
Here?
Where?
In math class.
Maybe to like
In the US, we are very used to using inches. In general, when you go to Europe or when you go to international Europe or other countries, right, centimeter is more popular. So that's why in the US, whenever we study about inches, right, we call them customary units, meaning some countries find it easier to follow units that are internationally not famous. So we call them customary units, whereas these are metric units. If internationally everybody uses it, then it is metric. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, what is a millimeter, guys? What is a millimeter?
Millimeters is the smallest.
Smaller than
What's the
a
smallest
centimeter.
measurement?
Miss Priya, I have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
If they only use inches in America and they don't use centimeters a lot, why when they make rulers, why do they put centimeters on them?
Oh, good question. It's not like we won't use. You see what I mean? You and I talk about meters and centimeters, right? It's not that we don't want to use, but in general, we find talking about inches easier. Similarly, when you go to distance, right? Your house and my house, how many miles apart we say. We don't say how many meters apart. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
When you go to when you drive on the highway, the speed is in miles per hour. It is not in kilometers per hour.
Meters per hour only in India.
Exactly. So, see, that's what countries like Europe find the metric units easier, whereas countries like US we use some other units which is not internationally famous. So we call it custom made units, customary units.
So miles is a customary unit.
Yeah, miles is a customary unit.
We use kilometers here.
We use kilometer. I know. So now let's see this one, guys. I really want you to understand this. I know you can estimate, okay? So let's say okay. What other units can you use? Meaning, this is how many feet is this?
1 foot.
Okay, 1 foot. This is 1 foot.
No, half foot.
This is a half foot ruler.
So 6 feet, inches. And so that just means that a foot is 12 inches because
Yeah.
this is half.
12 inches is 1 foot. 12 inches is 1 foot. 1 foot is what you know, the length of your leg. That's what is foot. That's why it's called as a foot. Approximately. See, we are estimating here. Approximately, it's the length of your bottom part of the leg.
So 30
You got it?
centimeters, 1 feet.
What is it?
30 centimeters is 1 feet.
Exactly. 30 centimeters is 1 foot. Yes, Kripa.
Couldn't you like measure anything with your foot?
You can. Yeah, foot is a type of measuring device. So let's go ahead and try this one. I wanted to talk to you about a king named Henry. There was a king by name Henry. Okay, he loved drinking chocolate milk. He loved drinking the chocolate milk. Okay, he will not give to the queen, he will not give to his sons, he will always keep drinking chocolate milk. What will happen if you keep drinking chocolate milk always?
You'll get fevers.
Exactly. You know what happened? Unfortunately, the king died. So I say King Henry died unusually, very unusual, right? Nobody keeps drinking chocolate milk. So King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, you know why I'm telling you this story? Why should I be writing KHDUDCM? Why should I be writing?
Short forms.
Huh?
Short forms.
Short forms. I'm going to form an acronym. King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk.
Oh, the CM can stand for centimeters.
Exactly. Wait. I'm going to tell you the secret now. Add M everywhere. Okay. The middle, right? Middle is what is important. Strike it off and write M. Okay.
What's
The middle step is the meter.
Meters? I don't know what's the
what?
HM?
Oh.
Yeah, what's
Is it hectometers?
Now this is millimeter. This is centimeter. This is decimeter. This is meter. This is decameter. This is hectometer. This is kilometer.
It
Makes sense?
hour.
Now, wait, there's more to this story. Okay?
Oh, wait.
This will make it very easy if you listen. Okay, I will not be reteaching in 4th and 5th grade again the same thing. Okay? When you go up, do you find climbing up the stair tough or climbing down the stairs tough?
Down.
no
Up is tougher and down is going up.
down is easier.
Down is easier, so you multiply. Multiplication is easy. Climbing up is like division. You got it?
Yeah.
But division is easier.
So now, you know why I'm telling you all this?
Yeah.
If I have 1 centimeter with me, to convert to millimeter, I multiply. For every step down or up, I multiply or divide by 10. Okay, so if I have 1 centimeter, how many millimeters is it? Multiply that number by a 10.
Does.
10 millimeters. Make sense?
Yeah.
1 centimeters, 10 millimeters.
Yeah. Let's say I'm going to draw the King Henry. King Henry is my favorite of the day. Okay? King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. Okay? Now I have 100 centimeter. Okay? How many meters is it?
1,000.
No.
100 centimeter I have. Please, guys.
Divided by 20.
Every step when you go up, it's divided by 10.
50.
When Please let me finish. Every step when you come down is a multiplication by 10. Okay, you go up, you divide by 10 every time.
So that means it's 25 minutes and 25
Divide
meters.
by 10.
Which is 25 millimeters because no 25 millimeters.
No,
because
100
One.
centimeter is what? 100 divided by 10 is what?
1 meter.
oh
Guys,
five.
100 divided by 10 is what?
10.
10. So, 10. That 10 when it goes up again, 10 divided by 10 is what?
1.
1. So, that's
Hey.
1 meter is 100 centimeter.
What? But then 3.3 feet. Oh yeah, 3.3 feet is 100 centimeters.
We are only discussing metric units in the King Henry thing. We are only discussing metric units. You got it?
Got it.
Now, let's say I have 3 kilometer. I have 3 kilometer. Now, please don't shout. Okay? All of you send in chat how many meter is it? 3 kilometer is there. When you come down, every step is equivalent to multiplication by 10. When you go up, every step is dividing by 10.
300,000.
Yes, my answer.
Yeah, the King Henry story is very nice.
Oh wait, no. It's another one.
Should we answer in centimeters?
What is it?
Should we answer in centimeters?
No?
Yeah, I just want your answer to be in meters.
I'm done. Okay. Am I correct?
I will check them out. Aru, that's correct. Did you understand, Aru?
Yeah, am I correct?
Vihan, correct. Aditi. Only multiply by 10 for every step. Where is the meter? Meter is between. Meter is in the middle. Shreyang, correct. Akshara, correct. Shankari, correct. Anjali, correct. Aditi, you're only claiming 3 steps, Amma. 1, 2, 3. So what happens? Just add zeros.
Can I explain?
Yeah, go ahead.
So 3 kilometers, if you go downstairs, you have to times, like you have to multiply it. So 3 times 10 is 30. 30 times 10 is 300, and 300 times 10 is 3,000. And in the 3,000 place, there's meters, and you said to stop there. So 3,000 meters.
Okay. Now, suppose if this is half a feet ruler, okay? This one is 1 feet. Feet is smaller or centimeter is smaller?
Centimeter.
Good. Feet is smaller or inch is smaller?
Inches.
Good job. But to find the relationship between metric and customary units, we can just say, hey, 1 inch is 2.2.5 centimeter. This is metric, this is customary. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, now do you know about King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk? Okay, now I'm going to give you another. This week I'll show the chart King Henry.
Is our homework gonna be based on like measuring?
Yes, this one. Yes, I want you to do a little bit more, not just estimation. Your school only discusses estimation. We will discuss a little bit more. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Now let me ask you this question. Okay. I have 1,000 centimeters. I have 1,000 centimeters. How many meter is it? How many meter is it?
Do we send it in chat?
Yes. You know rounding, right? Rounding to the nearest 10, rounding to the nearest 100. Do you all know?
Yeah.
Yes, Shankari, that's right. Shreyang, that's right. Aditi, good job, Aditi, on the previous one. Yes, star prep we'll do Aru. Thank you for letting me know, Aru. Aditi, that's right.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Sri Mitran, I'm waiting for your answer. Anjali, not really. Anjali, it's division by 10, not 2. Vishwa, correct. Ananya, correct.
Miss Priya,
Ananya, I'm waiting. Yeah, ma.
Miss Priya, can I log off? I have a class that I
Yeah, you go. Bye. Bye, almost done. See, divide by 10, right? Divide by 10, it becomes 100. Divide by 10, oh, what is happening, guys? Divide by 10, it becomes 100. Then again you divide by 10, it becomes 10 meters. Okay, now guys, what I want to do? 62, if you want to round to the nearest 10, which is the nearest 10? 60 is near or 70 is near?
60.
So how do you find it? If I give you 65, will you round it to 70 or 60? Because both are equally near.
70.
60.
70.
Ah.
60.
70.
60.
If the ending digit is 5 or more, you go to the next one. 5 or more.
70.
Round it to
So
70.
70.
Good
I
job.
relearned this.
5135. Round it to the nearest 10th.
513 fish.
514.
5140.
I want
5,000.
140.
Okay. What is the largest whole number that rounds to 7,000?
6,000. Should we do it in chat? Should we do it in chat?
You can shout, ma. Let's discuss this.
6,999.
Good job. 6,999 goes to 7,000. Make sense?
Yeah, because it's only one more.
What is the smallest whole number that rounds to 7,000?
1.
Huh?
1.
1 na? Round to the nearest 10. Round to the nearest 10.
6,001.
What is the smallest whole number?
1,000. 7,555. 6,900.
Good job, Vishwa. Good job, Vishwa.
What is it?
What? Wait. I don't want him to say again. Smallest whole number that rounds to 7,000.
6,095.
Is it 6,095? What is less than 7,000? Let's write out all the numbers which will round to 7,000. 6,995, 6,996, 6,997, 6,998, 6,999, 7,001, 7,002, 7,000.
3.
Hey, actually, the last we discussed was incorrect. 7,004, right? 7,005 will round to 7,010. So the smallest whole number is this. The largest whole number is this. Largest whole number is this. So when we discuss the largest, right, it is not 6,999. It is 7,004. You got it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's the closest.
Yeah. It's a little tricky. Got it?
Yeah.
Sri Mitran, did you understand?
Nearest 10.
Huh?
You said round to the nearest 10.
Yeah, it's 7,004, right? Nearest 10 is 7,000.
Yeah, I did the nearest 100. I understand.
So the largest whole number is 7,004. The smallest whole number is 6,995. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll stop. Yeah, Anjali, good realization. Okay, now let's go ahead for your rest of the week, right? I really want you to make sure you finish from page number 1. Literally, make sure you finish from page number 1 and then till so I want you to be able to do till 51. 1 to 51, see whether you most of it you have done, only a few pages are left. 1 to 51, I want to make sure whether you have done it fully. Make sense, ma?
Okay, I'll do that.
Just make sure, because there'll be some pages you left off. Okay, 1 to 51, we have done most of it. So just make sure you have done.
Okay.
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
can we like skip the pages we don't know and then ask you later?
Yes, absolutely you can, but bring it back so that we can discuss.
Which book? 31.
3D.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. Any questions for me?
No.
I think this class works so much better. Okay, guys. Anything else for me? Otherwise, we'll see you next week. Have a nice week ahead.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Okay, so bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, Miss Priya.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Priya.
Bye, guys.